So hello, welcome to my new class 4 science. I hope all of you are fine. So now we will start our next chapter number 4, our clothes. So now I am going to read this chapter. When you go to school, you wear uniform. When you are at home, you are in casual dress, and while going to a party, you wear a party dress. In the night, you wear a night suit while going to bed. You wear different kinds of clothes in different times of the day. Clothes are necessary for us. Clothes make us look smart and decent. Clothes also protect us from dust and disease. To keep healthy, you should always wear clean clothes. Okay. In different occasions, we wear different clothes. In school, we wear uniform. So this is our court dress. So if we wear uniform, then everybody will tell us this is school dress. You are going to the school. So dresses are telling us so where I am going. If you wear a casual dress, then everybody say you are in home. No need to say, just your dress will say you are in home. If you wear uniform, then your dress will say you are in school, or you are going to school, or you are coming from school. Okay. If you are wearing party dress, then no need to say you anything. Your dress will say. Everybody will understand you are coming from party, you are in party, or you are going to the party. So this is the code of dress. So clothes are necessary for us. Why clothes are necessary for us? So clothes are protecting us from disease and dust. Okay, when you going outside, every side is dust, and dust are coming to hit our body. So clothes are protect from the dust from our body. Okay, to keep healthy, we wear clean cloth. Okay, why do we need clothes? We wear clothes to protect our body against heat, cold, rain, and insect bites. We also wear clothes to suit the weather. During the summer season, we wear cotton cloths. They absorb sweat and protect us from the heat and the sun. During the winter season, we wear thick, dark colored cloths made of wool, fur, and leather. Woolen clothes absorb heat and keep the body warm. To protect ourselves from rain, we use umbrellas, gumboots, and raincoats. Raincoats are made of material that does not absorb water. So why we need clothes? So this is also an important question. This is, you write the question, why do you need clothes? So now the answer is these three reasons. Okay, just write these three reasons. So why we need clothes? Clothes are protecting us from heat, rain, cold, insect bites. Okay, if you wear raincoats, then you can protect from the rain. Okay, and if rain in heaven falling in your body, then raincoats are protecting you from the rain. Otherwise, rain will be falling in your body and you will be sick after some time. Okay, so raincoats are protecting us from the rain. And if you wear sweater, jacket in the winter season, then you can save from the winter and cold. Okay, otherwise your body will be like ice. Your body not a capability to absorb a heat or absorb a cold like clothes. Okay, unlike clothes, body not absorb the so much heat and so much cold. Only our clothes are protecting us. Okay, if so much cold is happening, our body is protected from the cold by clothes. Our clothes are absorbed heat and absorbed cold. Okay, in the summer season we wear cotton clothes. Because of why? Cotton clothes protect us from heat of the sun, and in the winter season we wear thick and dark color clothes. Because of why? Dark color absorb heat. And keep the body warm. And also thick. Why? Thick clothes. Also why thick clothes? Because when in winter season our body and the weather in making gap by thick, then in the thick barrier not capable to enter the cold to touch our body. That's why we wear thick clothes and woolen clothes. In the rain season, as already discussed, Indian clothes. So Indian types of clothes and different clothes are worn in different part of India. Look at the pictures of the clothes and the name, the state are worn it. Name the state which is worn it. So here someone is Punjabi, Arunachal, Naga, Mizoram, Assamese, Rajasthani, etc. Some people wear different clothes according to their jobs. They wear a uniform while going to their workplace. These people are identified by their uniform. A doctor wear white dress, a player wear their jersey, a nurse, a soldier, a policeman, and astronaut. So this type of our dress code they are using according to their jobs. So for today our class is over. We will meet you in the next class. Thank you.